guys, my name is Sakina. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So welcome back to my video. This is my third video and I'm really excited about this. Today actually I'm going to review The Girl in Room 105 by Chetan Bhagat. So I actually usually you see I have the book on me, but today I don't have The Girl in Room 105 and I really regret it. I gave it to a friend who was actually a really crazy fan of Chetan Bhagat, and like I didn't do these kind of things. I never lend my books to anyone. I am attached to my books and I never ever gave it to anyone in this world, but I was not really like attached to that book. मेरे को ऐसा हो रहा था कि that I didn't want to see that book in front of me, so I was like ले जा यार ले जा. So I gave it to him and I really regret it now because मैं थोड़ा बहुत भूल चुकी हूँ that what happened in the book. So I had to read the book again. I'm not lying guys, seriously I read the book again and it was like 330 pages and I seriously read 270 pages of that book again because I had forgotten the details about the book. Like I remember the plot and everything, but I actually forgot the things that were really important. So I had to read that book again. मुझे actually airy gairy video नहीं बनानी थी. I wanted to get the points of the book so that it would be easier for you guys if you want to decide if you want to read this book or not. So here I am reviewing another book by Chetan Bhagat, The Girl in Room 105. And I will definitely say actually that reading that book again helped me a lot because I do have actually the things I want to say about this book and I wanted to get my points really clear because I don't want to hurt someone. I don't want to hurt any book lover or any fan of Chetan Bhagat because I do respect Chetan Bhagat. I actually said in my previous video that I respect the fact that because of him बहुत लोगों ने इंडिया में एक रीडिंग हैबिट डेवलप की and I really want to thank him because of this. But I would definitely say that in this video I am going to talk about some things that I didn't like about that book. So please if you will get hurt, I'm really sorry and I will try not to offend that. So yeah, I guess let's get started. So the story starts with him being in the terrace and I'm telling you guys every moment because I seriously can't believe that I actually read 270 pages. Seriously, because I wanted to make this video. So please give this a thumbs up guys because मैंने Riverdale download किया था and I wanted to watch it but I was not able to because I wanted to make this video and I wanted to get my points clear. So I left Riverdale, मैंने एक ही episode देखा and I got back to my video. So please do like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So I was off the topic, I would say that. Yeah, I guess I was saying that the story begins with him in the terrace with his friend Saurav. The character of Saurav was amazing. I really liked the character Saurav, who is a side character who is a great friend, a best friend of Keshav. I really liked their brotherhood and I really liked their friendship. It was really special. I really liked it and I loved it and I would love to have a friend like him. So, like I was saying, in the story starts with him being in terrace in New Year Eve. So he calls Zara, who is a hex by the way, and he and Zara broke up 4 years ago and still he is not able to move on. He still remembers Zara, he still calls her, So I will tell you the plot of the story जो मैं बताना ही भूल गई. Seriously, क्या है यार, how can I forget that? What actually happened was that actually Zara texts Keshav in her 27th birthday कि hostel में बुलाती है अपने. Keshav actually goes there. They would actually meet there. Like Keshav would climb that tree and he would like go to Zara's room and I want that. I don't know. I actually want to like live in hostel. I would definitely love my boyfriend coming to meet me. चढ़ के आ रहे हो मेरे लिए. कितना अच्छा होगा. So I'm off the topic, I would say. तो वो चढ़ के आता है and जब वो रूम में जाता है he actually sees Zara who's actually dead. Okay, and Keshav is now in a situation which he didn't expect and he is now really like what the hell should I do now? Like seriously, he goes there and he sees his ex-girlfriend he's really connected to her. The one thing that I loved that he was really connected. I really loved that. It was really special. It was really special and was amazing. So I was saying he's frozen and he has no idea what he can do. Okay, so then he actually decides to call the police, and they actually find someone who is a suspect and they put him in jail. But Keshav was not actually convinced that ye killer ho sakta hai. But Keshav finds that that guy cannot actually hurt Zara, so he goes to the police and he tells them that this is not acceptable. But the police actually shuts him down. But Keshav actually decides that police to kuch ghanta kar rahi hai, अपन ही करेंगे. He starts doing every on his own. And the thing that I liked, that was really amazing and special about Keshav, was when Zara got murdered, he was the only one who was interested in finding the killer. Not anyone was interested in finding the killer of Zara. Only he was interested, and he did, like, he worked his ass off to find the killer who actually did this to Zara. And I would say that I would love to have a boyfriend like Keshav. Actually, the thing that I didn't like about the character of Keshav was he did a lot of name calling to Zara. And जब मैंने book पढ़ी, I was actually kind of immature, and I thought that I would love to have a boyfriend like, you know, Keshav. And मतलब मुझे ऐसा हो गया था, यार मुझे ऐसा बंदा चाहिए. I really like him, and I had a crush on Keshav. But now actually, that when I read this book, I actually got to know something that I would never ever want that in my boyfriend. I'm serious, guys. And actually, I'm really thankful that I read that book again, because मैं बोल देती सच में that I want a boyfriend like Keshav. I don't, seriously, because the thing happened was he did a lot of name calling, which I really don't want my boyfriend to do, and anyone to do. I mean, the name calling was really bad, and I didn't like it. Seriously, I hated it. So I was saying that हाँ कि इसमें बहुत name calling हुई है, and actually I have said F words and all in my video, but those words I can't really say in front of camera. Keshav said that things to Zara. He name called her, and I would never say that I want something like that in my boy. So I was like really confused that even if I like the character or not, I would definitely say that I really liked him. I would not say कि हाँ यार ये गाली देता है तो बुरा है. नहीं, I have actually abused in my videos, but I would not say that it was name calling. Name calling is different, and abusing is different. Cussing is different. I would definitely say that the name calling was the thing that I didn't like about Keshav. But I would definitely say that I don't want a boyfriend who will name call. Like, I would break up, seriously. Like, पहली बार होते ही I would break up. And if any girl is watching this now, and if your boyfriend, if he does name call you, just leave him. Seriously, because you need to understand that you also have a dignity. No one can say the things you don't want to listen. Seriously. And अगर मुझे लगता है कि if a person loves that girl ना, I would say कि वो कभी ऐसी चीजें ना बोले यार. वो कैसे बोल सकता है ऐसी चीजें? तो मैं बोलूंगी कि हाँ, he loved her, but I would definitely say that the name calling was the thing that Chetan Bhagat didn't understand, and it made the authors, it made the readers really unconnected to the character. And you guys know how much I love character building. I have said it in my every freaking video that I love character building. I'm obsessed with character building. I seek someone who I can relate to, but in this book it didn't happen. The thing was, I actually liked the character of Keshav. Overall, he was a good character, I would say. So I'm done with Keshav. The thing I would say again that I didn't like about this book was the character Zara. Like, I loved her, but I would say that Chetan Bhagat did justice to that character, because spoiler alert, guys, I'm going to say this because it was really hurtful. So the character Zara is an amazing character. She is an independent woman who's not scared of anyone in this world, who is an independent woman, and she can do anything. She has she's a really bright student. She has won a lot of confidence, and she's not scared of anyone in this world. There are things that I really liked about this girl, and I love this girl, but then Chetan Bhagat did not justice to this character, I would say, because in this book, he actually says that Zara has many affairs in this book, and I would say that Chetan Bhagat, if you are doing something like that, you need to justify some reason behind it. And I would say that the character building of Zara was really poor. I would say that, because I didn't like, and as a girl I really felt hurtful because I loved that character, but then Chetan Bhagat did not did justice to that character. I would definitely say that, because if you are like, हाँ ठीक है, तुम बोल सकते हो कि हाँ उसके अफेयर है, तुम बता भी सकते हो, ठीक है, बट तुम कोई रीजन तो दो, you need to give it a reason. And like, if especially if you are writing a book in these kind of genres, man, like thriller and all, you need to have an amazing character building. You need to give reason and you need to justify everything. But in this book, I would definitely say that Zara was not like justified why she did what she did, and I really didn't like it. I would definitely not deny that this book actually has so many interesting characters to read about them. So that was the book review, I would say. I especially want to say that हाँ मैंने कुछ बुरी चीजें बोली, but I would definitely say that this book actually holds a really special place in my heart, because this was the book I actually like used as an escape. मैं स्कूल जाती थी तो मैं ये बुक लेके जाती थी. I'm an introvert, guys. I guess I have said that, or if I haven't, here I am telling you guys. So I'm an introvert, and this book was actually an escape for me. Like, जब स्कूल में like absentee period होता था तो बात नहीं करती थी किसी से, I would sit in a corner, I would read this book, and I would definitely say that is why this book has a really special place in my heart. And the character Keshav was amazing. I did say that the name calling was the only thing that I didn't like about this book, and I would definitely say that you can give this a book a try. You can definitely try this book. I would not say that this book is not worth giving a try video. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and please do comment, like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Please be safe.